The recipe for today is how to cook bell pepper in a secret way. An old lady once told me how to do this. It's very fast and convenient and very tasty. I love roasted bell pepper salad with vinegar, but it takes a lot of time to do it. And it's messy. I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. And it's something that I don't want. Instead, I will use this old lady's recipe and I get the same taste with minimum work. Follow up.
I start with garlic and onion. I cut them in small pieces. I'm cutting the bell pepper. Preparing some cheese as a topping. Frying the garlic and the onion. Adding salt. Adding sugar. Adding bell pepper, but not all of it. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Adding more bell pepper, but not all of it. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Adding the rest of bell pepper. Adding some salt. Adding some sugar. I smell the bell pepper from time to time. When it's smelling roasted, then I will add the vinegar. More salt, more sugar. Looking for a difference in the color and for a smell of roasted. Now I add the vinegar and I mix everything until the vinegar is evaporated. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Smell from time to time and taste it. When the vinegar is evaporated, I smell the bell pepper and I taste it. If it's not sour enough for me, I will add more vinegar. If it's too sour, I will add water. Smelling the bell pepper and taste it. Since I added the bell pepper in 3 steps, now I got 3 colors and 3 textures. I wait for the water or vinegar to evaporate and that's it. Cutting some fresh parsley and preparing the plate. When cooked like this, the bell peppers can be eaten on their own or added to sauces, sandwiches, dips or salads. Bon appétit!